हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप ऑल यू गुड. सो गाइस, आज हम देखने वाले हैं लाइक विल सी दिस टुडे हाउ वी कैन integrate Node.js and React. Okay, so both how we can integrate that we will see this today. Okay, so for that what I have done, guys, you can see already I have created one Node.js folder, and here you can see I have already one React.js. Okay, because guys, it will take more time if I start from basic. For example, for creating Node.js folder like file structures and even React.js application, it will take time. So already I have done that. Now we'll see only the coding and how we can connect both the things. Okay, so let's start, guys. So here, this you can see this here is my node files. So I have given the name like my node app, you can see, and we are working with this server.js. Okay, and suppose if you want how to install the Node.js or how to create a Node.js file or React file, so already I have done video, guys. For that you can watch that video in my channel, you will get that. Okay, and guys, if you are new to my channel, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll start, guys, here. Because for node we need express, right? So we are taking here express. Node means what is backend, means what, here we are creating APIs, that's it here. Okay, so that only we'll see, guys, how we can create APIs and how we can use that with React. Okay, so here we exported the express. Then next is I'm using here course, because this will not give any course error. Suppose if you are not using, it will give the error. Why, you know, guys? Because for Node.js the code will be different, and for React the code will be different when we run the code. So because of that, what will happen? Course error will come. To avoid that, we are using that course, and even we need to install that course. Okay, so I'll show you if you are not installed how the error will be handled. Okay, that also we will see. So I have imported course as well. Then next what I'll do, guys, I'll take here instance that is const app, and here is my express. Okay, then for course also I have to take, so I'll use a middleware, that is I'll enable this course. Okay, then next, guys, to pass the JSON value, I'll use this, that is express.json. Okay, so here is my express.json. This is done. Okay, so first we have to declare all the things. This is very important, guys, that this express is important, then course is also important. If you are not important, or if you are not using that, then you will get the error, that is for sure. Okay, then we have an instance used, that is for express. You can see express nothing but app now, and here for app we are using course and express.json. Okay, so for passing the request, whatever the JSON request we are getting, to pass that by using this. Then next what we will do, guys, now here we will create the APIs. See, guys, so here I am using the simple APIs, that is app.get, and here you can give the path. I'll give path like this only, message. Okay, fine, and here my request and response will come, request and response. Okay, so here my request and response will come. So I'll take the response, whatever the response I'm getting, that I'm taking here, and then here what I'll do is just do message colon, and here I'll write like hello from Node.js, and it is backend. That also will tell. So we'll get idea whether it is coming from frontend or backend. So here it is done. Just I'll close this, guys. Okay, so API we have created. Now we need to start the server, right? So for that what I'll do is I'll take one port, that is here usually use this 5000, so I'll use 5000 only. Then we need to listen that port. So app is nothing but express, I remember. Okay, now app.listen, and here my port will come. Okay, done, guys. Then next here I'm taking my arrow functions, and here we'll print on console as well, like server is running on this port, like that will print, guys. Okay, so server is running on port. Okay, so here my port will come. Okay guys, see here my port. So we will see the server is running on this port guys. Okay, so here is my port, then we are listening to port, and here we are printing on console as well, and this is my API. Okay, so here we use only simple APIs. You can use your live APIs also with the database also, and for that also I have created already video. You will get that video in my channel guys, where we have used the MongoDB database as well, and MySQL also guys. Okay, so you can watch that guys video. Fine, so this is done guys. My node is ready, so I'll run this. Okay, so to run this, what I have to do, server.js, because the file name is server guys. You can see guys, my server is running on port 5000. So this is printing guys here. Okay, so now we did not got this cursor. Okay, because I have installed it. Suppose if I not installed, then you will get like this. See, first for that I have to uninstall this, so I'll do here uninstall. Now you see guys, if I run, you can see guys, I'm getting error here now. It is cannot find course because I have taken here course, right? I will install here course. Okay, so just install that guys. Okay, after writing this all the things. So this is done guys, so I'll start this server. Oh, again what I'm doing, cannot find. Okay, again I have uninstalled. Sorry guys, I have to do here, I forgot only install. Now you can see guys, it is running, right? So this is done, right? Backend is done. Now we'll see the React, how to integrate the questions, right? So we'll go for React. So here, as I told you already, I have installed the React using Vite application. Okay, so you also do the same thing, and here my app.js is there. Here only my code will come. So let's start. So guys, here what I'll do, by taking RFC I am importing React, and my function is also ready now. So guys, I want whatever I want to import, that everything I'll import here only now, because later again I have to import it. So I know what I am going to import. So I will use effect and as well as use state guys, very use state. Okay, so both I'm importing. Then next guys, even I wanted Axios. Okay, because I'm calling here API, right, by using Axios only. So this also you need to install guys. So to install this, you need to use this command guys, that is npm install Axios. This command you need to use this to install. Okay, remember. So install this by using this command. Okay, then next what we will do guys, here we'll declare the state. Okay, so I'm taking here the state name. You can take anything else. I'll take here message, so I'm taking from that. So I'll take here like message only. Okay, message, then here set message. Okay, here is my set message. Then next here what I'm going to use here is, it will be state. Sorry. Okay, so you can see guys, here we have declared states, and initially we are keeping that as null. Right. Then next what we will do is, here we'll write our function. So that function we will take in use effect guys. Why? Because it will run only one time. Close on component mount it will run guys. So for that I'll use here use effect, and here my function will come inside this. Okay, so that is const fetch message. Use camel casing for here, and here add a function will take guys. Okay, I want to check error also, so I'll use here try and catch first only. Now we'll call our API. So for that what I'll do is I'll use here constant, then response will come, and here I'm taking, you can see as Axios. So I told you to import this because I'm using here Axios, right? Okay, so for that Then here what I will do guys, here I'll use a path that is HTTP. Here port is 5000, right? So that only we need to use, and this API. So that I'll write here. So HTTP colon after localhost we need to use here is 5000. Okay, then my API route will come with that I'm writing here is API / message, right? So you can see guys here it is what API and / message, right? So I have taken there guys, and the port is 5000, so I have taken port the 5000. Usually we run on localhost, so here it is localhost guys. Okay, so localhost colon 5000 API message, this we are using for localhost only guys, not in live server. Okay, we are doing in localhost, so like that we are using. Then next what we'll do is whatever the response I'm getting, that I will set from set message. So it will update this message field guys. Okay, it will update this message field. So here is my set message, and here I'll take whatever the response I'm getting, that response I'll take here, and in that response I'm fetching my message, that will be data dot message guys. Okay, so here I'll get my data, and that we are setting for this message, means this message will be having whatever the data is coming, that data this message will have, because it will update. Set means what? It will update guys. Okay, then next here what see if I success means failure also it will be there, right? So here what we are doing, here we are checking the error. Okay, so here I'll write guys error fetching data. If any error is there while fetching data, then that error we will print here, because sometimes it will not work, sometimes it will give error. So for that, okay, this is done. Then next what we will do, here we'll close this, then we need to call this function. So I'm calling here my fetch function. Then next is it will run one time on component mount. Okay, so this is done. So the API calling is done guys. Now what we are doing, now what we need to do guys, see, now API calling is done. Now we need to show the data, whatever the backend I'm getting data, that I have to show, right? Here we got response, we got data, now we need to show it. So for that what I'll do, here I'll take one heading guys, h1 tag react plus React plus Node.js. Okay, and here it will be integration, React and Node.js integration it will be. Then here what I'll take one p tag. In that p tag what I'll do, whatever the message is there, this, because here it is going to update, right? So this only we need to use here. You can see guys now color has been changed. So guys, whatever the response I'm getting, that it will update in this message, and that message we are using here, that's it. Okay, and this is nothing but API which we are taking from my Node.js. You can see this we need to take, and with this we need to use localhost and this port, that is 5000. Okay, so this is done guys. Now I'll run this. Oh, what is happening? Oh, sorry. Okay, now I'll run this guys. What you are doing? See, now I'll run this guys, that is npm run dev. Okay, see, you can see guys it is running now. So what I'll do, I'll just copy it, go here, because whatever the data is in this, it will come with. So you can see guys, I'm getting data, React plus Node.js integration heading I'm getting, but I'm not getting data. So somewhere error is there, so that I have to check. Horses API forces message. It is correct. We'll see once again. Just a second guys, I'll run this. Here also I'll get if anything is there. Okay, here it is saying cannot read properties of undefined. Okay guys, I got here error. Okay, I got what is that. So here you can see guys, I have called here API, but I have to use here async and await, right? So here is my async and here is my await guys. Now you will see the result here. You can see guys, we got the result, right? I'll run this once again. I'll run this. You can see no error, and we got hello from Node.js backend, right? This I'm getting from here. You can see I'm getting this data in my React here. That data we are showing here. Okay, so you got right how we are integrating React and Node.js. I think you got guys how it is very easily guys. Like this also you can use with your real database. Okay, so this is the thing is like this you can integrate React and Node.js. Okay, suppose if you have any question regarding this thing is you can comment in comment box, and if you are liking my videos then guys please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting this.